So taking a look at example 3, I know diagonal 1 is 7. My other diagonal is 12. So the area is 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, or 1/2 times 7 times 12. Now 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. So I get 42 square feet. Got an extra mark in there. I'll take that off. My T went kind of long on that one. Now if I take a look at my next shape, I've got a rhombus here, don't I? And so I look at this rhombus, and I know since they bisect each other, they're marked congruent. I've got 7 and 9. So I know one of my diagonals is 14. So I know diagonal 1 is 14. I know the other diagonal, 9 plus 9, is 18. So to find the area, I'm going to take 1/2 times 14 times 18. Well, I'll do a little simplifying here. Notice 2 goes into 14 7 times. So we're going to take 7 times 18. So I'll use a calculator now. So I'll take 7 times 18. Ooh, you got too many times signs there. There we go. 7 times 18. It's 126. And we're measuring inches, so it's 126 square inches. And there's our answer. Let's take a look at example 5. It says one diagonal of a rhombus is half as long as the other diagonal. If the area of the rhombus is 64 square inches, what are the lengths of the diagonals? So let's draw this out. So what I'm saying here is I've got two diagonals, and I know in a rhombus they bisect each other, and I know one is twice as long as the other. Well, I think what I'll do is I'll call my short one X. My first diagonal I'll call X. My second diagonal is going to be twice as long, so I'll call that 2x. So if I go 1/2 equals, or area equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Let's do some substitution. This time I know the area is 64, don't I? So I go 1/2 times x times 2x. Well, 64 equals, well, half of 2, that reduces, that's 1. X times x is x squared. So 64 equals x squared. So x is going to be 8. It'd be plus or minus 8, but you can't have a diagonal. It's a negative. So I know my first diagonal is 8 inches. And I know my second diagonal is 16 inches. Now you can do a quick check here. Do you get 64? If I take 1/2 times 8 times 16, do I get 64? Well, sure I do, because 2 goes in 8 4 times. 4 times 16 is 64. That's my check. Remember, my answer is 8 inches and 16 inches. Those are my two diagonals.